says here, you need to put the task from the document object. So paste task data using Spice. So Spice basically does what Spice basically does is create an array. I mean, remove an array without modifying the original array. So I'm going to explain the example here. There's a declared variable, declared variable fruits, and it is assigned to an array literally with an element mango, grape, cherry, banana, and apple. And then there's a variable declared named as remove fruits, assigned to the fruits, which is the array, interpolated with the spice method, and passes the argument as 1 and 2. That 1 and 2 will be the date and cherry because computer, the way our computer counts is starts from 1, but does not start from 1, but rather starts from 0. So it counts as 0, 1, and 2. So 1 is assigned as date and 2 is assigned as cherry. We would then log in the fruits, which is the array. The expected output would be the modified output of the array, which would be the mango, banana, and apple. And then the last part line of the code would be the removed element from the array, which is the date and cherry. So it says here to use the remove method to remove the parent element of the button down from the document object model. So we use, and then call first the button element, and then interpolate the